Hi, Christine with Essentially Styled. I'm a little bit late with the FabFitFun Summer box review, but I wanted to come on here. It just came at a time when I wasn't able to do a review quickly, and then we were gone. So I'm a little bit late doing this, and I have used a couple of things. So I'll just go ahead and hit the highlights. And again, overall, I'm really happy with this box. Sorry, I'm outside, so you might hear some children and some dogs. So as always, you get a little magazine catalog that tells you the retail pricing of the things. And again, I probably wouldn't pay retail for anything that I've gotten, but I really do think for the value, what you get for the box has been great. And this one isn't an exception. I really like it. So it's just starting to rain, so this might get interesting. All right, one of the first things that I opened was the black mask. Okay, now I've been wanting one of these charcoal masks, and I'm really like this. I have not used this yet, but I'm anxious to. I do not think I have opened this one yet. I haven't. So, but yeah, it's that real thick black, and I just got it on my finger. So, so I'm anxious to try that. I haven't tried it yet. I'll try and come back with a review on how I liked that one. We got. I reordered this. This didn't come in the box, but this is one that I got from a previous box, and you have the opportunity to go back and repurchase items that you really liked at a discounted price. So this was the No More Baggage for under your eye. It kind of goes on orange, but it really does work well, and I was happy enough with that I went and bought that again. So that one was bonus. That one did not come in the box. Then I got it's a brow pencil called Winky Lux, and I'll show you that. And it's a double-ended brow pencil. So you have the brush on one end, which does have some product in it, and then you've got a more fine line for doing that. So just roll that up. So again, I have not tried that yet, but I'm anxious to. So Winky Lux brow pencil. So far a mask and a brow pencil. Then this I really liked. It's, I don't know how to say it, Yumi Kim. It's a wireless charging pad, and this is one of the things that I have been using. So basically it plugs into either your computer or a USB port, and then just lay it on your counter, and your phone can charge if your phone has that ability just to lay flat on it, so you don't have to plug it in. So I use that quite a bit in the kitchen because I'm always picking it up, putting it on my phone, so I can set it down on there and it charges. So I really like it. It's very pretty. So that was a plus and a win. And that is one of the things I got to choose. If you go in early, and I paid the subscription by the year, so it gets me a Plus membership or Pro membership. And then I get to go in and when they release things and get to choose this or that, because you get choices with all of these. But if you don't, then you just get whatever they send you, which I did for probably the first year and a half. I didn't choose, but I was still really happy with it. But I do like having that little bit of an opportunity to pick to get what I would prefer. One of the other things I got was a silk pillowcase. Okay, so, and what I really liked about this is that it was silk on one side, and then it's just a nylon stretch mesh, still really soft on the other side. So it's a simple silver. The only disadvantage is that it doesn't come in king, but I really like this. And since I wear my hair up with a little rose at night, this really kind of helps keep the frizz down. So I was really happy with the pillowcase. Then let's see, I also got, this is a foot cream, a silicone blood orange, and it smells really good. But just an extra moisturizing foot cream. I thought I had smelled this before, but apparently I haven't, because it is still taped shut. Well, let me see if I can bust through that. Out. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, I really like the smell. It's foot cream, but I'm putting it on my hand. Let's see, really silky. Yeah, I really like that. It's a real soft scent. So I haven't tried that up until now, but really like that. Then we have a hand cream. I have tried this. This is coconut verbena, and I love anything with coconut. So this is a great size that I will probably just keep in my purse for hand lotion or maybe in the car. But I love the scent of this, so that's great to have on hand. Let's see what else before. This is another black, we had the black mask. This is black, and it's the eye patches, eye mask. So when you put them on, well, I guess I can pull them out of here. But they stick on your face. You put them on for like 15 minutes while you're getting ready, and it kind of hydrates and moisturizes that under your eye. But I'll show you if you haven't seen these before. I'm glad that we're seeing more and more of these, and they're easier to get. I think you can even get some similar, even Walmart, but maybe not this one. So just use one set at a time, one under each eye. It just kind of, you set it there and it just kind of masks. It's like a little mini mask for your eye, and it puts for about 15 minutes. And with this one, I got a set of 5. So again, and I'll go back and I'll tell you some retail prices for all of it, but it's supposedly over $300 worth of product for $49. Now, if you use my link that I will post below, your initial box, your FabFitFun box, will be $39. And then if you continue it, it will be $49. So like I said, I've always thought it's been pretty much worth it if you break it down. All right. One of the other things that I did choose, and I'm not sure what I chose it over, but I am a huge purple and tie-dye fan. And fringe. So this kind of had it all. So it's just a beach towel that's tie-dye. It has the fringe. It's really large. I'm really happy with it, but it's just a basic beach towel. White on the one side, tie-dyed on the other. So that was nice. And then one of the last things I got that I really liked was, came in this box. It was a paint vase. I already took it out just to save a little time. But kind of like a paint drip vase, and I really liked it. Just something simple to put some of our cut flowers. We started a wild flower garden, so I'm anxious to look really pretty. It's mostly pink and white so far. They're just starting to come up, but I'm anxious to cut some and put some in, and look forward to setting them on the table with that vase. Now the last thing I want to show you was not in the box. It was an option, but I didn't get in soon enough to select it. It was sold out, because so if you don't get in there right away, they get picked over, people choose it, and then it's gone. They only have so many of each product. But I loved it, and I was too late for it. In fact, it was in my bag, and then by the time I clicked finalize, it was gone. So I knew it was going to be a popular thing, and I love wraps. And this one was, I just love the color. It has some light fringe at the side, but it was a long, kind of a kimono type wrap. So I really liked it. So what I did, because they were gone from the FabFitFun, is that I went online, I found the brand, and I started Googling and searching and trying to find it. I did find it. It retailed at FabFitFun for $59. I found it for $30 somewhere, so I ordered it myself because I really wanted it. So this was not part of my FabFitFun box, but some people got this, and I really like it. It's just a great summer wrap to have. It kind of goes kind of the chambray, linen, white. So I really like that, and ordered that myself. And I forgot, now that I looked down, I forgot one item that I did get, which was a cooler. This came in the box, insulated. This is one that I've already used, which is why it was out of the box. I really liked it. It's got 2 handle options. It's got the short tote or the long padded handle, and it's adjustable to some degree. But I really like this. It's a great size for lunch. It looks really big on there, but it's really not. It's great. It could work for 2 people, but I had it for snacks and a lunch for a day trip out I had, and loved it. So, and that was the brand Business and Pleasure. So those are the things. Now let me grab the catalog, and I will go over some of the retail pricing for you, just so you see what you're getting. And again, I personally wouldn't pay retail for these things, but so that towel was $58 retail. Not sure what I would pay for it, but I like it a lot. The charger, the wireless charger, was $35. The kimono jacket, I said, was $59. let's see, that bag, the insulated bag was $59. The black, oh, it was a set, I guess. The eye mask, these two things, it came as a set. I didn't realize that. Whoops, the eye mask and just the general mask. Those were $59 combined together. The vase was $28. The pillowcase was $29. Let's see, what else did I get? They have them spaced out here. Sorry, should have had them bookmarked. Let's see any other things. Did I miss it? Maybe. Here we are. Oh, those are just repeat offers from previous things. Maybe I missed it all. Sorry. What else am I missing? Maybe that is everything. Oh, the no more baggage was extra. Oh, the foot cream. There we go. It was $24, and the hand cream was $18, and the Wink Lux was $16. So definitely, I got my money's worth for the $49, and it's just fun. I look forward to it. It comes in a fun box. I usually save the boxes to send to my kids when they need a care package. So I think it was worth it. If you have questions, feel free to put them here. And again, I will put my link. If you use that, you will get $10 off your first box. But let me know if you have questions. If you're local and you want to see some of these things in person, be sure and let me know, and we can certainly arrange that. And let me know if you do subscribe to the subscription. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I know I will. And I'll try and do an overall review of maybe some of my favorite products, because I do have some that I've really liked and have reordered for myself. So, again, subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.